Hello, Algebra students. Today we're doing 7-2, multiplying polynomials. Our learning target is that students multiply polynomials using a table and distribute method. Our vocabulary today is binomial, binomial, closure, cierre, polynomial, polinomio, term, término, and trinomial, trinomio. So those words should be somewhat familiar from our previous lessons. So for our first example, we are going to distribute, we're going to multiply a monomial and a trinomial. So distributing means we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply times every term in the parentheses. Okay, and when we multiply exponent or powers, we add the exponents. So watch what happens here. We get negative 2x to the fourth. That's multiplying the first two numbers. Then for the second number that we multiply by, we're going to get negative 6x to the third because we added those exponents. And then we would have the third number that we multiply is the 4. So negative 2x squared times 4 is negative 8x squared. And that is our answer. Okay, so let's try the next one. This time I'm going to use different colored arrows just to help us see what's happening. So for the purple, negative 4x times 2x squared. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. The x's become x cubed because we have a little 1 on here, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we're going to multiply negative 4x times negative 3x, so that's going to be plus 12x. This time the exponent will be 2 because we have a 1 and a 1. Add together, we have an exponent of 2. Then we're going to do negative 4x times 5, and that's going to be negative 20x. So be careful with your positives and negatives, and you'll have an opportunity to practice this in your assignment. Next, we can use a table to find the product of polynomials. What is the area of the shaded rectangle? All right, so this is essentially asking us what 2x plus 1 over here on the left side times x plus 3. That's the bottom numbers. And so we can do that using a table. And this means that we're multiplying 2x times x. So in here we would write 2x squared. Down here we're multiplying 1 times x, so that's just x. 1 times 3 is 3. And 2x times 3 is 6x. So then we would just write that all together in standard form. So the 2x squared comes first, then plus 6x plus x, right, because those two get combined, plus 3. So to simplify, it would be 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 because these combine. And that's our final answer. Okay, on our next one, I'm just going to draw in our box. And we're going to multiply 2x times 5x to get 10x squared. We're going to multiply 4 times 5 to get 20x. Then we're going to multiply the 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times 4 is 8. And just like the last one that we did, these two numbers combine. See how here we had 7x, and here we're going to have 24x because they combine. So start with 10x squared plus 24x plus 8. Okay. Example 3. Multiply binomials. How can you use the distributive property to rewrite this as a polynomial? So 2x plus 4 times x minus 5. All right, let's use the distributive properties. So we're going to multiply the 2x times the x and the 2x times the negative 5. So both of those get multiplied, and the 4 also gets multiplied. So we're going to multiply 4 times. As you can see, there are 4 arrows. So 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times minus 5 is minus 10x. That's the black arrows. And then we'll do the purple arrows. So we have 4x, that's 4 times x, and 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. Then I'm just going to put a plus in between them because we have to combine them. So this combines. So bring down 2x squared. Negative 10x plus 4 is negative 6x minus 20. And that's how you use the distributive property instead of drawing the boxes like we did above the tables. And so now you're going to try it, and on these try it problems, we want you to use either the distributive property or the table method, okay? And we'll be walking around to help.